Stop wasting time on yard work. Today, we're turning your backyard into a 2026 tech paradise with these incredible garden finds. Welcome to Frog Deal. We've hunted down the smartest tools to make your outdoor life easier and much more stylish. All links are in the description below. Let's dive into the future of gardening. Stop struggling with thick branches and hand pain. These Cheng electric shears are a total game changer for your garden. With a powerful brushless motor, they slice through branches up to 1.4 inches like butter. The best part? They weigh less than 3 pounds, making them perfect for long sessions or anyone with weak hands. You get 4 adjustable cutting modes for everything from delicate roses to heavy oak limbs. Plus, one battery charge gives you up to 2,000 cuts. Effortless, safe, and incredibly precise. Your hands will thank you. Tired of spending hours raking your yard? The LEAPUL cordless leaf blower is here to change the game. This lightweight beast weighs only 4 pounds, but don't let that fool you. With advanced turbo technology hitting 150 miles per hour, it blasts through leaves, dust, and debris in seconds. You get 2 powerful batteries in the box and a fast charger that hits a full charge in just 1 hour. Whether it's your patio, driveway, or garage, cleaning has never been this fast or this effortless. Just snap on the nozzle and take back your weekend. Imagine never having to grab a garden hose again. This dual-zone smart timer takes full control of your yard, managing 2 different watering schedules simultaneously. The massive 3.4-inch display makes it incredibly easy to program, while the built-in rain delay ensures you never waste a drop during a storm. It's built with a heavy-duty leak-proof connector, so you can go on vacation without a single worry. It's the ultimate way to keep your lawn lush and green on autopilot. Hand pumping your garden sprayer is officially a thing of the past. This 4-gallon electric backpack delivers 90 minutes of effortless power on a single charge, and it's even compatible with your Makita batteries. With its unique dual wand system and 6 specialized nozzles, you can switch from a fine mist to a long-range jet instantly. Whether you're fertilizing the lawn or tackling stubborn weeds, this tool covers more ground in half the time. The padded ergonomic straps keep it comfortable for any job, making professional yard maintenance easier than ever before. Your backyard gatherings are about to get a major upgrade. This versatile 3-in-1 fire pit isn't just for warmth. It features a rotating table and a professional cooking grate, turning your bonfire into a full outdoor dining experience. Built from heavy-duty cold-rolled steel, it's designed to handle everything from backyard BBQs to cozy camping trips. It even comes with integrated wheels and a parking brake, so you can move the party wherever you want with ease. From the spark guard for safety to the waterproof cover for protection, it has everything you need to make every night under the stars unforgettable. No more guessing if your plants are truly healthy. This advanced 4-in-1 digital tester provides you with instant scientific data on soil moisture, pH levels, temperature, and even sunlight intensity. The extra-large backlit screen and adjustable rotating head make it incredibly effortless to read your results from any angle, even in dark corners. Just insert the high-precision probe, wait 10 seconds, and get the exact information you need to help your garden thrive like never before. From backyard farms to your favorite indoor succulents, it's the smartest way to ensure your plants get exactly what they need to stay vibrant every single day. Gardening should be a joy, not a source of back and knee pain. This heavy-duty, extra-wide kneeler and seat is designed to give you the ultimate support during those long hours in the yard. It instantly flips from a soft, high-elastic kneeling pad to a sturdy garden bench, saving your joints from strain. With 2 durable tool bags included, all your essentials stay right by your side. It folds in seconds for easy storage and is built to last for years. It's the perfect gift for yourself or the gardener in your life who deserves a more comfortable way to work. Give your body the rest it deserves while your garden thrives. Instantly transform your home's curb appeal with these professional-grade solar pathway lights. They feature a unique 3-color temperature mode, allowing you to switch between warm, cool, and natural white to perfectly match your outdoor style. With fully adjustable brightness and high-efficiency solar panels, you'll enjoy up to 15 hours of reliable, long-lasting light on just a single charge. They are built to be completely waterproof and require absolutely zero wiring, making it the simplest and most effective way to keep your garden glowing beautifully all year round. Stop wasting money on plastic sprayers that break every season. This professional-grade nozzle features a solid metal body built to be completely rust and drop resistant for years of use. With 10 adjustable patterns, you can switch from a powerful jet to a delicate mist with a simple twist. The smart thumb control lets you adjust the flow effortlessly with one hand, giving you total precision without any hand fatigue. It's the ultimate, long-lasting tool for your garden and professional car cleaning. Say goodbye to messy boundary wires and hello to the ultimate lawn mastery. This robot mower utilizes a triple fusion navigation system, combining LiDAR and AI vision to map your yard with extraordinary precision. With its powerful all-wheel drive system, it easily climbs steep 80% slopes and intelligently maneuvers around 300 types of obstacles. It's the smartest, most powerful way to keep your lawn perfect without ever lifting a finger. If you're ready to upgrade your backyard tech, you can find the links to all the products featured today in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Frog Deal for more incredible gadgets and daily finds. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.